Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert picture into shape in PowerPoint. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened PowerPoint application, so I just want to keep my picture into the shape. What I have to do here? So first and foremost, how to insert the shape into PowerPoint. For example, I just want to create a new slide. So this is my new slide. I just want to remove this box over there. So this is a blank slide. I just go to insert menu and I just insert the shape options. So you have plenty of shapes will be available. I can choose whatever shapes I want. I can have access. So this is the shape option. So how to insert the picture into the shape? So this is a beautiful option which is given from the PowerPoint. Just use a right click and just go to format shape. Once you go to format shape, there will be a no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, and picture and texture will be there. Just select the picture and texture. Automatically picture will be insert over there. So you can insert whatever picture you want, you can insert. So here there will be a picture source will be there. Just click insert option. You can choose from the file or stock image, online picture, anything you can choose. From file I just want to show you. So I have some JPG images over there, so I just choose some of the images which I need to insert. I just select the images and just click insert means automatically my picture will be insert in the shape. So it is easy way to have access while I change any other shapes, means it will help us to create a different kind of shapes over there. For example, the shape I just want to change as a shape model, so the shape will be insert from the picture itself, so that I can able to have access with that kind of pictures. The same picture can edit a different types of shapes. So I just click here for edit shapes to give a different types of shapes over there. So again, I just want to insert the shape. I just want to insert the picture or any other textures to that. I can do that. I just select that option, so the same picture and texture, and I just choose here for the texture, so I can choose the texture also. So there will be a textures available, or you can choose a picture and you can choose whatever picture you want. You can choose and have access, means automatically your picture will be insert over there in your PowerPoint. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option to create a different types of shapes and put your image, and you can impress your entire client through your presentation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.